Ladies and gentlemen, can I please have your attention? I've just been handed an urgent and horrifying news story. And I need all of you to stop what you're doing and listen.
What are we doing? So we're gonna actually try and set up some ND filters. You got me saying it now.
Well, that's what it is.
Well, still. So we're actually gonna try and set up some, what are they called? Prop filters? Prop filters. Gareth's channel, you can check out a little review for a prop filter, see whether or not they're any good, which you were assuming they
Could be.
could be. So you're gonna have to stay tuned.
ZeroThreeDelta, land at the tower, northwest departure approved, runway 25 and Alpha 2, clear for takeoff.
25 off to clear for takeoff, northwest departure approved, ZeroThreeDelta. 25 on the runway, 25 coming in DG, 25 coming in on magnetic.
Here we go.
Alright, coming up on 70, we'll rotate.
There we go, up we go. There's the tower. That's Orlando International up there. There you go, so there's inside now. We're climbing up to 800 feet now. And there is downtown Orlando. So yeah, so we're doing a little review thing of this prop filter that we've got. And obviously the video didn't start out as planned. We decided that I got a friend in the UK, Andy RC, who's fascinated with planes. So we actually did the run up and the start up and the take off with him.
Yeah.
Which hopefully he enjoyed. Once again, linking to his channel over here.
I got Lake Apopka, not Lake Apopka. We got Apopka Airport to our right.
Got Lake Apopka to our right.
Apopka Airport.
I've already got footage of that, don't need it.
Don't need it?
Nope.
I wish we could go like to Orlando North. Maybe we'll go to Leesburg. Do you want to do Leesburg and then head back?
Yeah, can do.
Leesburg, okay.
Yep, that's up here.
Yeah, it is this way.
There it is.
Huh?
You want some frequencies?
Why not?
Ground 121725.
Yeah.
And tower is 11935.
What is the ASUS?
ASOS is 134325.
Alrighty, well 10 miles to the north, south, west, east. It's one of them.
Yes, we're 10 miles to the southwest east.
So 10 miles to the south?
Inbound with Peter. For a period, you mean full stop? We're 10 miles now.
Leesburg Tower, Archer 8203 we're 10 miles to the southeast, inbound for close traffic with the weather.
8203 Delta from the south, reported 2 mile left base, runway 31, winds 2808, dial 10 minutes 3003.
Alrighty, we're actually just over the north-west shore of Lake Apopka, so we're more towards the southeast.
Alright, number 03 Delta, report 2 miles straight in, final, runway 31.
2 miles straight in final, runway 31, 03 Delta.
Okay, left from Alpha and right on Alpha 4 with you, connection on 203.
Where's the the traffic?
No, the airport.
Let's get ground reference here. I'm following this around. It should, isn't?
I thought that's it, but it just looks a bit too like sandy.
At least for tower
Oh, there it is. I got it. Yeah, I got it.
Intersection Charlie.
You see it? So see the sandy area?
Yes.
And then look right. I'm like joining a final now for 3-1. It's like right on the water.
Oh, got it. God, bloody hell.
I know, that was
Yeah, if that wasn't in shade,
it'd be easy to see.
it would, yeah.
It's just because it's like the one part which is under a cloud.
Isn't it awkward as well when you've got boats that you can't always tell if they're in the air or not? When you're flying, sometimes boats that are moving,
Yes.
like you see you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 boats.
Yes.
The one furthest away from us for a little while looked like low traffic.
Yeah, that's true. Very. Like a seaplane, kind of.
No, just a flying boat.
Archer 203Delta, 2 mile final, 3-1.
Number 03Delta, Leesburg Tower, runway 31, cleared land.
If possible, could we get a touch and go then? Left, close traffic, 03Delta.
03Delta, runway 31, clear for touch and go, then make left traffic.
Clear touch and go, then left traffic, 03Delta.
Number 68, Mike Juliet, contact 49 for departure, so long out.
About time. Can you see the runway yet?
I think so.
Hey, Delta 203, we have park. Thanks for the help.
I'm going to do a power of 180 next time. I don't know, you know. Whee! Oh. Hansi.
So 123 Delta, Sierra Leesburg Tower, Charlie, runway 31, fly runway 8, clear for takeoff. 03 Delta, runway 31, short approach approved, clear for touch and go.
3-1, short approach approved, clear touch and go, 03 Delta. Alright, you're about to come up in the numbers, 1,000 feet, fuel pump, landing line, all of the things looks good, but unfortunately it's not. Oh no. Got one notch of flaps in immediately and get that nose down.
Oh no. Oh no.
Start turning towards the runway and get whole altitude a little bit if we can.
What's happening?
Third final. Oh shit, we're high.
Yeah, we are.
This is disturbing.
Interesting how it performs with the airspeed though. I mean, it's fairly constant. It's pretty good.
Thanks.
Yeah?
Yeah, we can say it's a compliment.
No, it is. But as soon as you dip that nose, I was like, ah, the white arc. Ow. That was my head.
It's going to be a very long landing, but you know, it'll work.
Oh yeah. Nicely done.
Oh, alright. Full power. And then, do you want to give it a go?
Not particularly. No, I'm quite enjoying myself.
Oh, fair enough.
Just sitting here. Where do you want to go for fuel?
Popka in that.
Yeah, can do that.
Sorry.
That was my built-in prop filter. Everything started to go dark.
Oh, no.
Good job we haven't got a touch screen. Oh, what have you done? I think I may have ordered a pizza.